So most wild turkeys are harvested in the spring. Can you talk to us a little bit about freezing the bird so we can get it from the spring to Thanksgiving?
Usually in the field, the hunter will go ahead and field dress the turkey, right? So removing the feathers and those kind of things to get it ready to go into the freezer. So what we want to do with our turkey when it comes time to freeze it is to maybe take a little butcher's twine and kind of tie it up a little bit so you have this nice little package, and from there inside of a nice freezer bag, okay? And that'll give it some protection from any freezer burn. If you don't have a large freezer bag, then a couple of good trash bags or unscented plastic bags will work really well. We want to make sure it's wrapped well and in the deep part of your freezer. And then we need to move to thawing our bird, right? So after about 2 or 3 days in the fridge on thaw, what I like to do is go ahead and put it in my brine to let it finish thawing. A brine, you say, Chef? Well, yes. This is one of my favorite things. So basically, we're taking salt, sugar, Florida honey, a little orange juice, some fresh citrus, and we're making a brine, or it's kind of like a marinade, and we're gonna let the bird soak completely in there for about 12 to 24 hours would be optimal. And this is really going to help it with the cooking process and some of our forgiveness if we tend to overcook our turkey a little bit.
So is there a difference between cooking time?
So when cooking this bird, we do want to look at the times that we're cooking. A traditional turkey, 3 to 4 hours at 325 to 350 in your oven is enough to be done. When our turkey is in the oven, we actually want to pull it out at about 150, and that way when we set it down on the counter to rest, it'll continue to cook and it should go right to 160 and be finished perfectly. So our finishing temperature about 160. The bird is a little bit more lean than your traditional store-bought bird, but it's going to have way more flavor. So it really is phenomenal. I can't wait for you guys to try this.